Yeah. Good night, miss. Good night. Now, for for this presentation tonight, basically for this short recording, what I'll be focusing on is on basically on how do we create a PowerPoint? How do we create a PowerPoint presentation? So that's what I'll be focusing on. So I'll start out by open the PowerPoint up. So after when the PowerPoint is open, we want to go to this part that says blank presentation. So when we go there, we click on it. So that will take us to this slide here. Now this slide is basically allows us to add a title and to click to add subtitle. So what we can do, we can go ahead and add a title. Let's go with hardware. And the subtitle is okay, presented by David Saturday. Good. So the next step is now we want to basically add information or we want to add content to the slide. So here we go to this part that mark new slide. So we look for this suitable slide that we're looking for. Okay, we have a title slide, we have a title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. So this is a suitable one, title and content. So we just click on it. And when we click on it, it automatically add here. So the next step is to add a title. Okay, let's say our title, what is hardware? Put a question mark. So now this part, this slide here that says click to add text, this allows us basically to add content or information within this slide, within this section here. So hard, where are the physical parts of a computer? Full stop. Now, the next step is when we click enter, it takes us to the next line. So we can go some examples of hardware are. So, and then we list our hardware. We have keyboard, mouse, keyboard, mouse. We have scanner. All of these are referred to as hardware. Hardware devices. So the next step is we want to basically add a background to this slides here. So now in order to do that, we go to this part at mark design. And here we have some pre-installed design design themes. So we click the suitable one that we like. So this one here seems nice. So we go with it. And as you can see, it changes the entire slide. So even if we were to add another, let's say another slide, it's going to automatically take the theme. Now the next step is what we call a transition. Now a transition basically allows us to add different effects to our presentation. So we have this one here, honeycomb. And that's how it is. We can add different one. We have okay, a seat. Now, the next one is basically it allows us to add animation to our text. So what we can do, we can highlight hardware. We can put it as appear. Highlight this, client. Let's go with wheel, go and turn. So we add all of these here basically to make our presentation much more interesting, much more cleaner, and much more. We add another layer of creativity to our presentation. So let's put this on full screen. So we click here, we come to slideshow, and we start from beginning. So when we slideshow claim on, we press the bottom arrow, or we just click and hardware appears. We press the R button, the bottom R button, and our text just appear just like that through the use of the animation tool. Likewise for our content. Now the question, what is hardware? See, it appear there. Likewise, the definition, an example of hardware. And this is how we basically create a PowerPoint presentation. And this is how we add a design team to our PowerPoint presentation. And we also touch on adding transition and animation to our PowerPoint presentation, which add another layer of creativity. And also, the transition allows a smooth flow from slide to slide. Now, this brings me to the end of my short presentation.